All right, last step. You need to hook these 4 wires on the ultrasonic to these 4 wires here. We do not want to hook up the servo wires. These are not for the first project at all, or the third project 3A. We don't want this turning as we're trying to code all of this stuff. So that's why also I didn't put this screw in here. So these 4 wires here, or I only have 3 on this one, I'll have to get another one. They plug in right here, and then they line up directly with these 4 right below it. So the ground on the left here, right here, this ground one, lines up right with this one. So these 4 wires will come right off of here and right down to these. 5 volts on this side, that's going to go right to that 5-volt pin. So one thing I would suggest, it may be hard to hook these up while it's in here. If you need to, you can take this out of this mount again if you need to, and then put it back in when you're done. These pins sometimes are a little bit bent because we had to bend them. So I'm going to take this out of the holder. And now keep these straight. So blue, green, yellow, orange. I'm just going to put one on at a time. Blue, green, yellow, orange. Be careful, just slide them on. They may be a little bit tough, that's okay. Just get them on there as best you can. Then put this back in. And then they go straight down to this one. So blue to the first pin to the left, green is the next one. Fat fingers in the way. And yellow is the next one. And then orange for this last one. And that's it. This should spin fairly freely, but like I said, you don't want this turning on now because this could spin too far and kind of wrap itself up. Also, I don't have the screw in here because eventually when testing the servo, I'm going to want to unhook this and just watch this thing on its own, or unplug the wires here so that way I'm not trying to run into any problems. But for right now, I got it all together and I'm good to go.